guys, today we're gonna open some more Pokemon packs. So yeah, let's get right on to it. Comment down below which pack art is the best. This is pack 1. Comment down below pack 1 if you like this. Pack 2 and pack 3. In my opinion, this is the best. So yeah, let's open it. You guys get the first look as always. Cosmog. Weasel. What is it? Hippopotas. And who is this? Sneasel. Who is that? Oranguru. And Xurkitree GX and Luxray. And okay, this is end of the pack. Just one GX so far. Let's get that out of the pile. Okay. We have a GX pile, and now let's open this pack. So yeah. It's hard to open it for some reason. Maybe it has GXs. Guys, wait. Okay guys, we got it open. Just wait. Get the first look. Flip that guy out. Okay, we got a Lunala. Okay, and Vikavolt, Primarina, who is this? Lurantis, Vikavolt, Orisoria, Wimpod, and another Orisoria, as expected. So, yeah. Let's open our last pack of today, which is a Steam Siege. Okay, so yeah guys, let's open this. It's not opening for some reason. Maybe it's also a highly sealed pack because it has many GXs. Okay. So yeah. This time we are gonna do something else. Okay. So we're gonna put like 1, 2, 3 at front. So yeah. Let's go. Petty. Wishiwashi. Okay, we got a Wishiwashi, and then Petty. Wishiwashi, then Machop, and then we have a Tapu Koko. We got a Metagross and a Lion Rock, and I think that's and a Comma GX with a Marshadow. Yes, that is it. Not it, it's really good. Comma OGX right here, and I Comma Leandra, Metagross, and Tapacoco, how do you do?
दादू पापा का चश्मा लाना बेटा।
Machup. I didn't know that he's in the set. Maybe he's new. So yeah guys, this is gonna be now we're gonna review our cards. First our normals. So yeah, right here as you guys can see. Weasel, Hippopotas, Roserade, Sneasel, who is this again? Oranguru, I don't know who that guy is. Luxorio, maybe. Petty, Wishiwashi. Okay, we're done. Now with our GX file. Okay, so guys, this is my GX file. Let's go. This is, wait, Metagross. Wait, just a second. Wait, guys. Wait, what? Okay, this is my Metagross, Tapacoco, Marshadow, Leandrock, Pomo GX, Wilkavolt, Lurantis, Primarina, Vikavolt, Lunala, wait, what? This Zoo3 guy, Lunala. From where did he come? Wait, what? What? Oh my. Okay guys, this is my brother's card actually. He got it from his first pull. And I'm here for ears.
He's hunting this for 1 year.
Okay, here is my brother's GXs. Gumsus, Espion, Incineroar, Primarina, Decidueye, Umbreon, Alola Ninetales, Toxapex, Sylveon, and my man Charizard. So yeah, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. So yeah guys, stay savage, be cool. See you on my next video. And stay savage, be cool.